Hi. Today in this short tutorial we will learn how to recognize a USB port or USB drive as version 2.0 or latest 3.0 easily. Here in this image you can see the first row is for USB 2.0. The color of the port is white, also the USB 2. Often these may be black as well. These are USB 2.0. On the bottom, all the female ports and drives are in blue color. It indicates that the USB port and drives are USB 3.0. So, these are the simple ways to know if you are using a 2.0 or 3.0 USB port or drive. I will make a video on how to know a pen drive is 3.0 or not with a software. Please be with us and subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.